What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Instagram Reels. Swipe right to open up the Instagram camera. This is what the latest version should look like. If not, go ahead and update the app. On the bottom of the screen there will be three options. Select Reels. Here you can immediately begin recording by tapping or holding the record button. You can stop the recording at any time and continue the next clip where you left off. You can slide your finger to zoom or you can pinch to zoom. Videos from your camera roll can be selected here on the lower left. Make sure that your video is 1080 by 1920. Instagram only lets you upload 15-second reels. Anything over that can be cropped within the app. You can review your videos by dragging your finger across the screen. Over on the left, we have the option to add music as you would on an Instagram story. You can select your recording speed. You can also add effects. There are many more options if you scroll all the way to the right and select Browse Effects. You can use multiple effects if you record multiple clips within your reel. There's a timer option to select the length of your clip and it will give you a 3-second countdown. When recording a second clip for your reel, an align option will appear that can help you make your transition look seamless. Make sure to review and edit your clip before moving on to the next, as you won't be able to edit it after. Once you hit next, you'll be able to save your clip, add stickers, drawings, and text as you would for a story. You can select the duration you want the text to appear for, however you won't have that option for drawings or GIFs. Now you're ready to share. Captions cannot be edited, so keep that in mind before posting. Sharing to feed will mix Reels into your regular feed. Uncheck this option if you only want them to appear within Reels. And that is how you use Reels in Instagram. Like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.